Fletcher Kelly here with World Discovery Channel. Join us on a crazy journey to the Amazon where we're going to try to discover the lost tribe of the Yanomami. As you can see here, we're in the beautiful Amazon with its lush green trees and yellow trees. They're yellow, but whatever. Now, the Yanomami tribe is one of the last remaining tribes on the border of Venezuela and Brazil. Now, they're very kind-natured people from what we see, but we can never tell. So, we're gonna try to make some kind of contact, me and my cameraman, Timothy, and we're going to ask them some questions about their culture! Oh, their culture! The Yanomami tribe's actual name in English means human being, which is kind of crazy since they're kind of savage. I don't know. What the hell is this? Follow me. This is an actual ceremonial Amazonian altar where they sacrifice their food and sometimes people. They sacrifice things like jaguars and they sacrifice things like rabbits. And you don't want to know what else. Let's say this was a jaguar. This is a jaguar. They put the jaguar right here. And they get one of their knives. Hold on, I have my car keys. And that's how they do it here in the Amazon. As you can see here, there's a footprint. That means they must be close. Follow me. I can smell them. Follow me. It smells beautiful here.
Yeah, there's something behind you.
What do you mean? There's nothing there.
Yeah. Yo, are you okay?
No, man, no. Oh, there's something in my neck. There's only me broken neck.
Yo, Fletcher. We got darted.
Darted? What do you mean darted?
I mean, we got hit with darts. And what happened to your mustache?
I don't know. Who are you two? What are you doing on sacred land? Fletcher Kelly. This is my best friend and my confidant, Timothy. Don't touch us.
Chief Big Leaf, the Yanomami tribe. This is my counterpart.
Yanomami tribe!
Steven.
I saw you in the woods! Over there!
Yeah, he darted us.
You darted us? I have a question for you. Can you take us around your camp and show us about your culture? Your culture, please! I want to know about your culture!
Follow me.
By the way, what'd you do with my mustache?
Oh, I shaved it for you. Very disrespectful.
Hi, Steven.
Hi.
Okay. Now let's learn about their housing. Where do you guys live?
This is our Shabono house.
Pretty cool. What's it made out of?
Roof over many planks of wood.
Roof over many planks of wood. Amazing.
Every 1 or 2 years, we have to knock them down. Too many insects eating away at them.
Makes much sense because there are more than 2.5 million different species of bugs in the Amazon. Wow! Whoa-wee! Wow! separations over here.
As you can see, different family. That's mine over there in the corner.
It's very nice.
Thank you.
It's very nice. It is very nice. How do you guys obtain your food?
Use a slash and burn technique. We cut down the plants, burn them in fire. Makes great fertilizer.
Oh my God! It's amazing! How do you gather things? Gather, how do you gather things?
Gather the fruits, like the bananas and the mangoes.
Oh.
But you gotta get the nuts and the acai. Oh, the acai. Beautiful, beautiful. Look, a banana.
Oh, banana from the Amazon! Yes! Oh, thank you! Thank you! How do you tribesmen obtain your meats?
We hunt and fish. This is one of our favorite fishing holes. Dirty River. Watch as I fish.
You got a fish! Oh, yeah! Yeah, fish! Oh, shoot! Die! Oh! Oh! Oh, my God! Oh! 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 Woo! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! Die!
This is how we hunt in the Yanomami tribe.
Oh, damn! He hit a tree polar bear. He hit him. Let's get him. Skid him. Eat him. Eat him raw. Ah!
Spot the weak Rainforest mini horse. This would be my family's dinner. Die! Die!
Death.
Get him!
Die! Die! Die!